This is a 160 Q&A practice test. Plaintiff attorney, Mr. Holt, capital H-O-L-T. Defense attorney, Ms. M.S. Abrams, Adams. Ms. M.S. Adams, capital A-D-A-M-S. Ms. Adams. And we'll start with defense attorney. Ready? Here we go. Good morning. Please state your full name for the record. Abner Rios. Have you been known by any other names like Abner Sanchez? Is that your surname? No, my second last name. My name is Lori Adams and I represent State Compensation Insurance Fund with regard to your application for adjudication of claims for workers' compensation benefits. The purpose of this deposition is to get the facts surrounding your claim for your workers' compensation benefits so my client can determine what benefits, if any, you may be entitled to under the law. I'm going to give you some instructions about today's proceeding. A deposition is a question and answer session that allows us to gather information about your claim. You have been placed under oath by the court reporter so that the testimony you provide here today must be truthful and to the best of your ability. If you fail to tell the truth, you could be subject to the penalty of perjury. Even though we are in an informal setting, the oath you have taken is the same as though we were in a court of law and has the same force and effect as if you were testifying before a judge. Do you understand the significance of the oath you have just taken? Yes. Do you understand that it is against California law to make misrepresentations for the purpose of obtaining workers' compensation benefits? Can you repeat that again? Sure. Do you understand that it is against California law to make misrepresentations or false testimony in order to obtain workers' compensation benefits? Yes. The court reporter is typing everything we are saying, and she will prepare what is called a deposition transcript in booklet form that you will have an opportunity to review with your attorney. The court reporter can only take down one person talking at a time. It's important that you allow me to finish my questions before you answer, and I will do the same for you. This is to make sure that the record is clear. You are entitled to review and make any changes or additions to your deposition testimony, but I need to caution you that if you make any substantive changes that relate to the facts surrounding your case, I or another attorney may comment on your deposition testimony at the time of trial. Please listen to each question. If you do not understand the question, please ask me to repeat. If you need to ask your attorney a question, please let me know and we can go off the record. When you answer verbally and do not use nonverbal gestures like or nodding your head. If you don't know an answer to a question, please let me know. I do not want you to guess. I am entitled to your best estimate. I am introducing the notice of taking deposition into the record as Exhibit 1. Did you drive to this deposition today? Why did I drive here? No. Did you drive to this location? No, I had to take the bus and the train to get here. From where? From Los Angeles. Do you have any form of identification on you, such as a driver's license? Not with me now, but I do have it. Do you have any other type of identification on you, like a student ID? No, I don't have anything with me. I just brought the paper with the address. Counselor, is it all right if I take a photo to make sure that this is the applicant, Abner Rios, who filed the application for adjudication? How will you make sure? We will have a photo identification of him that we will know. You don't have it with you? No, I asked for the driver's license. Do you have it with you, the photo identification? No, I was, because sometimes when the applicants don't have their driver's license or any form of identification, what we do is take a picture on our iPhone and have it serve or attached as an exhibit to the deposition transcript, because I don't know if he's Abner Rios. There's no way for me to verify, his identification. He can't provide a driver's license and he can't provide any secondary source of identification. But by attaching it, how are you going to confirm that it is him? I thought you said that you have some photo ID. No, we have no photo ID. That's why we're taking a deposition today to conduct discovery. We could attach the photo identification as an exhibit to the deposition transcript. We're likely to continue this deposition to a volume 2. So we need to have some. Why don't we produce it at the next deposition? I'll ask him to bring it. Okay, Mr. Rios, is there any way that anybody could text you a picture of your photo ID now? Not now. Okay, all right, we can. In the next break, I'll try and talk to him if he has any objection to that, and I'll accommodate your request, but I need to talk to him. Let's go off record right now, because this is important to know before we continue the deposition. We'll go off the record. Okay, we'll continue on the record. Have you had any alcoholic beverages in the past 24 hours? No. Okay, do you smoke? No. Have you taken any medications, either prescription or over-the-counter medications in the past 24 hours? No. Is there any reason that you feel that you cannot take this deposition right now? How is the question again? Sure. Is there any reason that you believe that you can't go forward with this deposition right now? Let me explain. You seem confused. If you are under influence of very strong headaches and you are not able to think and recollect, you may not be able to testify. We all don't want a lot of answers like I don't know, I don't remember, just because temporarily you are not all here. If as a result of medication or alcohol, or because you're feeling so bad, headaches, or you are sick that you cannot think right, then you cannot go forward with the deposition. We'd have to postpone it. But if you are feeling all right, you can think clearly and you can recollect everything. Well, just a little sleepy, okay, because you started early today. So as far as you'll be able to testify, right? Yes, of course. At any point, if you feel so sleepy that you cannot think, stop this and let us know. All right, we have a short word list. Abner Rios, capital A-B-N-E-R, new word, capital R-I-O-S. Sanchez, capital S-A-N-C-H-E-Z. Lori, capital L-O-R-I. State Compensation Insurance Fund, capital S on state, capital C on compensation, capital I on insurance, capital F on fund. Application for adjudication of claim, capital A on application, small f-o-r, capital A on adjudication, capital, I'll spell that one, capital A-D-J-U-D-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. So capital A on adjudication, then small o-f, and capital C on claim. So capital A on application, capital A on adjudication, and capital C on claim. And that is it for the word list, and that will conclude our 160 Q&A practice test.